Well, YouTube, yes, I'm at my keyboard. And yes, this is a bagpipe video. But listen to this. I actually made it sound like small pipes. In particular, the 5 drone Nathaniel banton pipes. And you know what? We're going to look at this. We're going to turn on the disco ball. We got some cyan light. We're going to turn on the disco ball, and I'm going to go back in there and press the small pipes. They actually sound like the set of small pipes that I eventually want to get. So let's turn the mirror ball on. There we go. And my fireplace just kicked on in the living room. Look at all those dots. Wow. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and hit the button on the small pipes. We're going to listen to them play, and they're playing Kesh Jig. And these are Scottish small pipes in A. And there we go. Look at those dots, everybody. Wow. Yes, hashtag practice chanter, hashtag small pipes. Yes, I eventually want to get me a better set of small pipes, but these ones, I'm going to make do with the ones I have for now, thanks to Thaddeus. This is awesome. Wow, just look at all those dots everywhere. I set the light in a way where it actually blocks everything, so that is awesome. Alright, let's slow it down. Just watch the dots spin. Slow. While we listen to Scottish small pipes. Wow. Look at that. You know, let's go out here and get a panoramic view. We're going to be closer to the small pipes now. And there we go. There is our cyan light plus Scottish small pipes. Alright. Thanks for watching, and more to come later.